New this morning, Texas health officials say whooping cough cases have surged to their highest level in more than a decade. So far this year, the state has reported more than 3,500 cases, quadruple the amount from this time last year. And experts warn the worst months are still ahead. Doctors say the jump in cases comes as vaccination rates decline, especially among children. Whooping cough is highly contagious and can be dangerous for infants and older adults. Health experts urge families to stay up to date on vaccinations and take precautions during this upcoming holiday season to help stop the spread.